In this video, I'm going to show you how to post Instagram story from laptop. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now without further ado, the first thing you need to do is to use a social media schedule. Let's go through this a quick example to show you how it works with Agora Posts. So create a graphic, use a design tool like Canva on your computer to create a 180 pixels by 20 pixels graphic. Open Agora Posts, so log into it and go to the publishing window to create new Instagram post. After that, choose the time and date, decide when you want the story to go live. You can choose to post it now or set a specific date and time in the future. You can also auto-publish or create mobile notification, so you can receive a notification when you have reached the stage, and after that publish to Instagram. If you have the story set to publish automatically, then you are already done. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.